There are two numbers and 5 x's in a bag. Find the probability of drawing both numbers without drawing an x. So let's draw a visual model. Let's say 3 and 4 are the numbers, and then I have 5 x's. So there are two numbers out of 7 total, counting all the numbers and x's. So the probability of drawing a number on the first draw is 2/7. So say I draw a number, and then what's left? We have one number out of 6 total. So the probability is 2/7 times 1/6. This is what's called dependent events, because drawing a number first changes the probability now that that number's gone. So that's going to be equal to 2 times 1 over 7 times 6. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 7 times 6 is 42. That can reduce this by 2 because 42 is an even number and so is 2. So that's going to be equal to 1 over 42 divided by 2, which is 21. So your probability of drawing both numbers without drawing an x is 1 to 21. Now let's get the calculator just to see what the decimal is for that. So we're talking about 1 divided by 21. So that's what, 4.8% probability, or a 5%? A little less than 5%. So 4.8% or 5%, roughly. And I like to look at my fraction answer in terms of a percent also, just so it helps me understand what the real percent chance is. And 1 over 21, it doesn't seem like much, but I think 4.8 or 5% really makes better sense to me as far as telling what the probability is. So it helps me understand what the answer really means. So you could enter this 1 over 21, or you could enter this 4.8%, and you could probably even enter the 5% if you wanted to. Those would all be considered correct.